Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 11. In this question, we have to determine the number of arrangements of R out of n objects in a circle. So when it is involving a circle, we shall use the formula NPR divided by R. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. So find the number of ways to arrange 10 students. So n total, we have 10. And we just need to choose 6 of them to sit around the table. So R equals to 6. Therefore, the number of arrangement will be 10p6 over 6. So with the help of calculator, okay, key in 10p6. Call out the functional permutation, 6. Okay, remember to divide by 6. 25,200 ways. 25,200 ways. That is the answer. Alternatively, we can use the fill in the space method. Okay, so we have empty seats, 6 empty seats. All right, and then we have 10 students to choose from. Okay, 10 students to choose from. Therefore, the first empty seat by right is only one choice. By right is only one choice if we arrange all of them. Because whichever chair that the first person comes in, the left, right, and front are all empty. So whichever seat is the same. But over here, we don't choose all of the n. We only choose 6. Therefore, for the first empty seat, let's just put 10 because we have 10 students to choose from. And then 9 students to choose from for the second seat, followed by 8, 7, 6, and 5. Now, for the same arrangement, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, if the first person chooses to start from this seat here, the same arrangement, it will happen, but the 10 will move here, 9 will move here, 8, 7, 6, 5. And the same arrangement will happen when the first person chooses to sit in this chair. Therefore, the same arrangement will happen how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Therefore, we have to divide it by 6. Okay, at the end of the day, we have to divide the whole thing by 6. So the number of arrangement will be 10 times 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, and divided by 6 because we want to reduce the similar arrangement that occurs 6 times. So we have to divide by 6. So once we simplify this, so we will have 25,200. Okay, check with the calculator. So we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 5, and that's the answer. See, 25,200 because 6 and 6 already simplified. Okay. All right, so let's move on to B. So for question B, if each of the children is given only a new bag, find the number of ways to distribute 9 school bags to 5 children who sit in a circle. So who sit in a circle, we have 9 school bags. So it's the bag that go to the children. It's like the students go to the chairs. So n equals to 9. The R will equals to 5. Therefore, the number of arrangement will be 9p5 over 5. So use the calculator, 9p5, and then divide by 5. So we have 3,024 ways. 3,024 ways. Now let's say if we were to use the filling the slot, okay, filling the blank method, so we will have okay, just draw the, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 students. So we have 9 bags. So the first student, okay, let's say we just choose any of the bags, go to the first student. Let's say this is the first student. So there will be 9 ways to distribute to this, and then followed by 8, 7, 6, and 5. However, if the first student, the first student that we choose is seated here, therefore the same arrangement will repeat, but it's just start a seat after the initial seat that we choose. Let's call this second seat. But if the first school bag goes to the third seat, so the same arrangement will occur. Therefore, the same arrangement occur for how many times? Because we occur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we have to divide by 5 at the end of our calculation. So in this case, we will have the number of arrangement, okay? Number of arrangement equivalent to 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, and then divided by 5. Simplify. So let's use the calculator, right? We have 9 times 8 times 7 and then times 6 equals to, see, 3024. Same answer as using the formula. All right. Okay, for part C, it is different from A and B. So over here, we have more vacant chairs than the people who want to sit. So in this case, we will still use the formula N equals to 7 and R is 5, that the chair goes to the people. So we have 7P 5. However, we are not dividing it by 5. We have to divide by 7 because we have 7 seats there. The previous one, as you can see, we always divide by the R, and R is the number of chairs around the table or the number of children that sit in a circle. But over here, the one that stay around the chair is stay around the table is the chair. So we have to divide by the number of the space around the circle. So in this case, with the help of calculator, all right, 7P5 divided by 7. Okay, 7 milk, 5 items. And then we divide by 7 because there are still 7 seats, 7 chairs around the table. So 360. 360. Now, alternatively, we can do like this. Around the table, we have 7 empty chairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the first person that goes in, okay, it has only one choice because whichever chair that he choose, all right, will be the same. Front, back, left, right, nobody. So there is only one way to choose. And then we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 empty chairs. So we shall take 1 times out of the 6 empty chairs, we permute with the remaining 4%. We can do like this. Okay, so this one require you to have the logic thinking. All right, if you want to use this fill in the slot method. So therefore, we shall take 1 times 6P, 6P4 times 1. We got 360. We get the same answer, 360. So mark this down. All right, we always divide by the number of chairs or people that make up the circle. Okay, and that's it for question number 11.